Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna unbox the microphone, which is Boya by MM1. So right now I'm recording with the Sony 6400 with the external mic. I did not attach any mic with it. This is its original voice. So I'll see the difference. What's the difference between this mic and the external mic with the Sony 6400? So good thing about this mic is that you can attach with the PC, you can attach with the mobile phone, you can attach with the tablet, and you can also attach with the mirrorless camera or DSLR camera, whichever have a 3.5 mm jack. So without any further delay, let's open it and see what we have in the box. Okay, so warranty card, user manual. Just put this on side. So here is the microphone itself, and it came with the dead cat, which is nice. So let's remove it and I'm gonna show you the actual mic itself. So build quality, I think it's pretty nice. It's not that bad. As you can see right here, this is the microphone, and this goes right here. Then I put this on, hopefully it won't break. There you go. And it's pretty sturdy also. It just goes simply on the camera jack, and which I'm gonna do in a little bit. So one thing I have to do when I put this on the camera, I will probably not be able to see my face on the screen, but let's just see what else we have. We have camera input right here, the cable, and this is for microphone, this is for phone, and they did not mention with the sticker for this what it is. It's probably for the camera, this is probably for the phone, it says right here. So it comes with the two cable and the microphone pouch, which is nice. So indoor you can just use a microphone directly to your camera. If you're recording indoor like me right now, you don't have to use this dead cat. You can use this outdoor. It's gonna be pretty useful because it's gonna block the wind. So right now the quality looks like very bad because the hair are like coming off out of it. So without any further delay, let me just put this on the camera and see what will be the difference on the quality of with this mic. So right now I'm recording with the audio level is like 27 on my camera, and I'll set this up and let's see how much I have to set up, and then I'll let you know, guys. This is the audio coming from Boya MM1 microphone right now, and the audio level I set this on 16 decibel in the Sony A6400. So what do you think about the audio quality? What's the difference between the first one and the second one? And I think for the price for this microphone, I think the audio quality it's very good quality. And if you are planning to record a vlog or talking head videos, this is a very good microphone because it stays right in front of your camera and on top of your camera, and it's very close, and it can pick very good audio from you. And plus you have this wind muffler, wind blocker. I think this is a very good stuff if you're gonna do outdoors, a lot of outdoor vlogging and walking around. This is gonna probably block the wind, and the audio quality will be very nice. So let me know in the comment below, guys, what do you think about this microphone? How is the quality? I think it's pretty nice. I would definitely recommend this microphone if you're planning to just start the video making. And I think plus you can record with your phone also. You can attach this microphone with your phone, which is great, I think, for its price. So yeah, that will be it for today, guys. I'm making the other video about the DJI Ronin S SC, the gimbal that I recently bought it, and I was unboxing it, and there was no battery, so unfortunately I have to recharge the battery before I turn the gimbal on and give you guys a review and my thought. I'm planning to choose between Xeon Cran M2 and DJI SC gimbal. So both are pretty good. The Xeon Cran M2 is a pretty small gimbal and it has a lot of good features, but if you're planning to keep your gimbal for longer, I will definitely recommend quality wise and the software wise the DJI Ronin SC. But I'll make the comparison video and you guys can see which one is the best. So this is it for today. I'll probably see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace, take care, Allah Hafiz.